Let me show you how to disable automatic update for your extensions on Corsa AI. Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial. I'm Andrew. So all you have to do is go ahead and go to those extensions. You can find that on the upper left hand side of your taskbar here. And in case you're not able to find your taskbar, you can easily look towards your upper right hand side and you'll find those different bars that you can toggle on or off, as you can see right there, right? So this is how you can easily get it. Alternatively, if you don't want to do that, you can go to File, go down to Preferences, and go to Extensions, and it will open it for you right there. Now, you want to go ahead and go to your Install Applications, right? And if you don't have an application or have an extension, you can easily find them under the Popular section, and you can install them. Now, I'm going to just walk you through a full example of why you'd want to, let's say, turn off the automatic update for an extension. So let's say I want to install, let's take Go. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, or you can click the install from this side. So you can click on that, or you can click on install from here. And you want to allow it and just install it. So let's say you install it. But what happened is that it installed the latest version, right? And what you can do from here, you can see where it says auto update. You can uncheck this. But let's say you want a specific version and you want to stick with that specific version. You can click the drop down here where it says uninstall, and here you can see it says specific version. So that could be a reason why you want to disable automatic update. So let's say you want to specific versions from 10 months ago. You can click on that and it's going to install that specific version for you. And as you can see, it's installed and I have it there. And now you want to go ahead and ensure that automatic update is not checked, right? Or alternatively, let's say you update it and you have the latest version, right? You have the latest version installed, but at the same time, you don't want it to update any further. You can ensure that you uncheck this automatic update box so that it will not be updated to a future or a more latest version. So that could be different reasons why you want to uncheck the auto update. But that's it. You can go to any one of your install apps or extensions and you can disable the auto update, as you can see right here. And that's it, guys.